Grill rotisseries are an essential tool for any grill enthusiast looking to elevate their cooking game. There are many products available to choose grill rotisseries, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill rotisseries from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GHP Group Dynaglow DG4WB Deluxe Universal Rotisserie Kit. The Dynaglow Universal Deluxe Rotisserie Kit fits most gas grills with a firebox width of up to 32 inches, 81.3 centimeters, and comes with a 6-foot-long cord. This grill accessory helps you to cook your favorite rotisserie dishes easily and perfectly, adding a new dimension to your grilling experience. What we like: easy to install on most gas grills, comes with a long 6-foot cord, allows for perfect cooking of rotisserie dishes. Number 2. Dreu Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. The Dreu Rotisserie Grill Kit is a complete package that includes Universal Grill Rotisserie Kit, 120 V4W motor, 28 spit rod, 2x4 forks, complete holders, and fixing screws for universal grills. The 2 to 3 RPM 120 V4W electric motor comes with a waterproof on-off switch, and the medium power is safer and keeps the food evenly rotating on the grill rod. The food-grade materials and UL certification ensure healthy and safe use. It is easy to use and can easily cook large or small cuts of meat. Number 3. Weber 7652 Rotisserie for Genesis. The Rotisserie Genesis 2 200-300 Series 7652 is an attachment designed for Genesis 2 and Genesis 2LX 200 and 300 series gas grills. It includes stainless steel shaft, forks, handle, and hardware that can hold both large and small cuts of meat. With this attachment, you can slow roast a whole chicken to tender ribs. However, it's not compatible with some other grill models. Number 4. Kanka Rotisserie Grill. The Kanka grill is a professional-grade, heavy-duty rotisserie grill designed by BBQ experts for easy portable use at home or outdoors. It works with any fire or heat source, and features a high-torque electric-geared motor with adjustable speeds that can be powered with AA batteries, 110 to 220 V power outlets, or a rechargeable plus solar battery. Made with 100% food-grade stainless steel, it can cook up to 22 pounds of food, and has multiple accessories available to cook all your favorite foods. Number 5. OmniFire 18-inch round tumble rotisserie basket cooking accessory. The OmniFire stainless steel BBQ grill rotisserie kit includes 4 trays and a support rod to prevent trays from falling off during cooking. Made of durable stainless steel, the kit fits most rotisserie grills with a 1/2 or 3/8 hexagon spit rods, as well as charcoal kettle gas grills like Weber and Kamado grills like Big Green Egg. It is perfect for cooking ribs, steak, burgers, pork loins, fish, nachos, chicken, vegetables, pork butt.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.